What sounds better, a dirt bike or a helicopter? It's about to get wild. Oh goodness, the owner of the helicopter is coming. He doesn't know we're racing it yet. He's smiling though. Hey, he's smiling. That's a good sign. We're about to rev this thing up as he takes off and do a burnout.
I don't know. Keep up with it.
I'll probably be able to keep up with him, but it'll look cool for a minute.
Tyler, you ever want to come up to the airport?
Oh gosh, we were just talking about
and we'll get the 500 and we'll race.
We're asking the owner if it's okay. Don't know really why we're doing this video, but I think they're all giving us the okay. So, yep, here we go. What sounds better, two-stroke or a helicopter? That was funny.
I can barely hold it up. Dude, it was blowing me over.
That was bonkers.
Hey, here's your hat. That was funny.
That was intense.
That was funny, dude.
Oh, dude, I about flew over into the ditch over there.
That was funny. He did. It was going at, I mean, it was, man.
Okay.
Hey, I burnt the tire off this thing, I know that. I thought I was blowing the bike up because it stopped cutting out on me. I'm like, listening.
All right, Tyler.
So.
Who won?
I think I won to the gate. My helmet flew off, AKA my hat. I think we'll have to race again on a little longer course. What do you guys think? Should we race, legitimately race a dirt bike versus a helicopter? You let us know in the comments.
Tyler, how's your tire?
Well, it's got a new shape to it. I'm actually prototyping for Dunlop. I'm gonna send them this new shape.
Wheelie time. Melted rubber everywhere. That's what you get when you're trying to race a helicopter.
Never gonna sell this bike now.